Hi friends, Namaste. Welcome to day one of the 100 Days Digital Marketing Workshop. First of all, I would like to congratulate you all that you have taken a bold decision to spend 100 days of your life to learn something new and start a new career. My name is Abhijit. I am the founder of the YOLO Pillow, one of the finest digital marketing agency in India. We have helped more than 1800 businesses to create their digital presence and grow online. Okay. But today we are not going to discuss about those business organizations and what we have did. Today we are starting a new journey, right? So it is about you, what you can do. It is building your future, creating your income and providing yourself that 100 days so that you can transform your career, right? Let's be clear, okay? Without any hanky-panky, very clear thing, this is not another online course that you forget after 3 days. Okay, if you think like that कि okay चलो फ्री में है एक बार कोशिश करते हैं समझ में नहीं आया तो छोड़ देंगे तो भाई मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि पहले ही आप छोड़ दो. अगर आप में ये डेडिकेशन है कि आप 100 डेज कर सकते हो तभी इस पे ज्वाइन करो. देखो मैं आपसे कोई पैसे तो ले नहीं रहा हूं और ना ही आई एम आस्किंग यू टू बाय समथिंग फ्रॉम मी और you should spend some money on some of my product or refer someone who can give me a business. I'm not asking you anything. I'm not asking you a favor, right? It's a free contribution from my side. So the first thing, by the end of these 100 days, what you will get. The first question, what I will get, right? So by end of these 100 days, you will be having your digital product. It could be one, it could be two, it could be multiple, right? Now it is based on your capacity, what you can do. Publish content. So you will be learning how to create content, text content, how to create content, image content, how to create video content. Okay. And you will be publishing those content to build your personal brand. Number 3, building your own network. Okay, so definitely when you will be publishing your content, you will find few people who started trusting your content, who started trusting you, who started following you, who started communicating you. So you will be building your own network, and finally you will be getting a real customer, right? Now when I am talking about real customers, so definitely you should have a business plan. Or you should have some idea that what you are going to do. Now, if you are thinking that acting, playing a joke, it could be give me a client. No, boss. Joke or acting, it is something which is entertaining. You can create a brand value for that. You can become a stand-up comedian, you can become an actor, but it could not create some business for you. When I am talking about business, I am talking about real business where you will be selling some product, where you will be doing some consultancy, where you will be sharing some information, where you will be selling some services, right? It doesn't matter from where you are coming, but you should have some idea in your mind for some business and we are going to convert it. Don't worry, if you don't have an idea tomorrow, the first session we will be discussing about the niche, how to find a niche and how you can work on that, right? So now here is the twist. You don't need any fancy tools for this. If you want to start your own business, you need only 5 tools and all these are free. You need a Gmail account, you need a ChatGPT account, you need a Canva account. Again, it is free account, not a payable one. You need a social media platform. You need social media platform, not a but 3. Here we are going to consider 3 social media platform. One it is Instagram, one it is YouTube, and one it is LinkedIn, right? Now, why this is matter? See, the world is changing. During the corona, we have understood that yes, we can do many things online. Before that, we were struggling to do many things online, but after Corona effect, we understood we can do many things online. Even if you see the since 2020, the online market it increased by more than 300%. Okay, so this is a massive change, and you won't believe in next couple of years it is going to be a 250. It is going to be a very big market, right? So, if you're going to start for a business, you don't need a certificate, right? Do you need a certificate to start a business? Yeah, obviously, the legal document. If you are talking about the certification like government certification, FSI, all these things, these are absolutely okay. But you don't need to prove your skill. Okay, see, I have this certificate, I have completed this, so I am one of the best person who can give you these services. You don't need this kind of certificate to start your business. Here, your skill will speak. Correct. Now, that is number one thing. But obviously, the people who are participating this 100 days workshop, once they complete the workshop, after doing everything, definitely they will get a certificate. And that is also for free of cost. For that also you need not to pay any money. Now in these 100 days, you will be creating your own digital product, your own digital footprint. Okay, now creating digital footprint, it doesn't mean that creating a product or creating a service, but you will become an icon, you will become a brand, you will becoming a point of talk. People will start talking about you, right? When someone Google you, they can find you. People should search you on Google, right? You don't just need a blank page. You are going to write or create a portfolio. You are going to create a history. You are going to create your work profile. You are going to create your content, and finally you are going to create your own brand. And you should be feel proud. Okay, finally I have my own brand, right? Now consider. Take 1 minute and tell me, other than doing a gig job, can you earn 10,000 rupees online in next 100 days? Can you do that? Right. So we are not targeting earning 10,000 rupees. We are targeting to start a career. We are going to build a career, right? So we are talking about character. We are going, sorry, when we are talking about income, it is real income. 10,000 is not our target where we should reach, but our target is make it 5 or 6 figure income. A 6-figure income in 100 days. Okay, remember this, because 100 days from now, this won't be just thought, it will be your reality. आज से 100 दिन के बाद, आज आप जो सोच रहे हो, it need to be become reality. Okay, तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now, let me be honest. 100 days, I will test you. Some will drop, but some of those who stay consistent, even just 1 hour daily, I don't need you spend long time with me. It is every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, 1 hour session, 7:30 to 8:30. That's it. And after that, you need to practice it for 1.5 hours on the other 4 days, right? They will come out with the skill. It's my promise. If you give me that time, definitely you will come out with proof of work and income. I am not saying you might be creating an income. Definitely the path what I am going to draw here, if you follow them, 100% for sure, when you complete this 100 days workshop, you will come out with a income stream. This income stream will stay lifelong with you. Okay, so I want a simple thing. I want a simple thing from you. I want a promise. I want a promise. Just promise, not to me. Don't need to make a promise to me. Just promise it yourself. Promise to you. Okay, for next 100 days, you will show up, whatever the situation is, whatever the problem is, but you must show up. I will do work. I won't quit. Just one simple promise, and this promise for you, not for anyone. And for daily tips, update, accountability, and all these things. Okay, now join whoever not yet connected through our WhatsApp community. I ask you, get connected with our WhatsApp community where we will be sharing daily tips, where we will be updating multiple things which will be make your journey easy. Okay, so tomorrow is Monday, so we will be meeting at 7:30. Don't forget to show up tomorrow. 1st September. 1st September is the first day of our workshop. Don't forget it. Turn up at 7:30 just for 1 hour. From 7:30 to 8:30. We are going to discuss many things. We are going to start a career. We are going to start an income stream. Obviously, there are many people who have different thought. See, digital marketing is not limited to marketing. You can create 265 different career, 265 plus different career through digital marketing. Tomorrow, the first thing we are going to discuss the niche. We will select a niche where we can work. Okay. So let's see tomorrow at 7:30. Sharp at 7:30. Don't be late.